Hey guys, welcome to your next project. So I actually really like this project. I think it's really cool looking. So basically we just have a simple article. This could be anything at all, any website, any blog, whatever. And up here we have the little navigation icon. And if I click this, what's going to happen is it actually rotates the entire website, the entire container here, and then it brings in the nav here, the navigation items from the side, and the icon also changes. So basically we have two icons, open and close. We're going to position them so that when we click it, this circle rotates and shows the close button. Obviously we need a little bit of JavaScript to be able to add and remove the specific class, which we're going to call show nav, and that will rotate and bring the menu in. So I think this looks really cool. So it's going to be mostly CSS that we're dealing with. We need to add specific styles for specific elements when the show nav class is present. The only JavaScript we really need is to add and remove the class when we click this button. Okay, so let's get started.